happy with that. So we have the prompt here, temperature in degrees Fahrenheit can be modeled by F equals 9/5 C plus 32, where C is the temperature in degrees Celsius. So find F of 12. So notice here that the input here is, what's in here. So, the output would be F, the input would be C. So this is basically saying, plug in 12 for C, even though it doesn't say that there, but that is our input. So say F of 12 equals 9/5 times 12 plus 32. Round to the tenths it says, so 9/5 times 12, let's see what that is. That's 21.6, and then plus 32 is 53.6. So that would be 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And so it wants us to explain this in context. So basically we want to think about the input first. The input was 12 degrees, and that's 12 degrees Celsius. And then the output was the 53 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's say something along the lines of, so start with the input. If the temperature is 12 degrees Celsius, then the temp is 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what each of those numbers stand for, right? So that's 12 degrees Celsius, that's 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Usually an if-then statement works pretty well. I'm going to start with the if this, then this. They want us to find the inverse function. So basically I want to they want us to undo this one. So I'm just going to try to get C by itself here. So let's rewrite the problem. So F equals 9/5 C plus 32. So I'm going to subtract 32 first. F minus 32 equals 9/5 C. And just like before, I want to multiply by the reciprocal here, so I'm going to multiply by 5 over 9. So, and then make sure that you want to do that on the left side and put that in parentheses. So you get 5 over 9 times F minus 32. That's equal to C. So there's our inverse function. C is by itself now. And then I'm going to use that to answer this next question. So find C of 90. So here, right, the output should be C, the input should be F. So I'm going to plug that into here. So let's see, C of 90 equals 5/9 times 90 minus 32. So 90 minus 32 is 58. So 5/9 times 58. I'll put that in my calculator here. That's 32.2 repeating. So in context, what that means, so again, I'm going to start with my input. So the input here was the 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the output was the 32 degrees Celsius. So if the temperature is 90 degrees Celsius Fahrenheit, then the temp is 32.2 degrees Celsius. So I'm trying to think about context, so just think about units really. Again, start with the input, end with the output. If you want to make an if-then statement, works pretty well. Alrighty, hope that helped a little bit. I'll see you in class.